latest news break that's coming in. Swati Maliwal has finally given her statement to the Delhi police. After 4 hours, she has recorded her statement. That's the latest news break that we are getting in right now. She has spoken with the police, and word coming in right now is that a statement has been given. What really is the statement? We're going to try and get an understanding. But it was a statement that was recorded over a course of 4 hours. The team that went to record Swati Maliwal's statement has also debriefed the police commissioner, and very soon we'll get an indication of what is it that Swati Maliwal has told the Delhi police. Till now, Swati Maliwal has been unwilling to lodge an FIR or an official police complaint. Members of the Delhi police reached Swati Maliwal's house, are giving a briefing to the Delhi police commissioner. Complete information about what really went down for 4 hours, 35 minutes. I want to cut across to Amit Bhardwaj. Amit, all of this is taking place in the national capital while, the chief minister has been on a whirlwind electioneering tour, first in Lucknow and now in Amritsar, with the personal assistant with him. Bibhav.
True, Preeti, that's the case, and that is why the entire controversy had also, the Aam Aadmi Party was taken by storm today. The BJP protested against Aam Aadmi Party, and the controversy kept on snowballing because those visuals which had come from Lucknow and the Aam Aadmi Party in a way put itself out in the open to get attacked by the political opponents like the Bharatiya Janata Party and its top leadership. But the big breaking right now is that sources have confirmed to us that Swati Maliwal has recorded her statement with the Delhi police. Now remember, the Delhi police team was at Swati Maliwal's residence in the Lutyens zone for nearly over 4 hours, and there were speculations going on as to whether Swati Maliwal, the former DCW chief and the Rajya Sabha MP, will lodge her complaint or rather her statement with the Delhi police or not, because this today was the last day as far as the NCW notice is concerned that was served to the Delhi police asking them to submit the action taken report, and the Delhi police sticked around more than 4 hours at Swati's house, and now the sources are confirming us that she has recorded her statement with the Delhi police. Now, what is the content of that statement? We will have to wait for that. The official word will come from the Delhi police in this regard as to whether she has actually gone ahead also to lodge the complaint, or as to what are the contents of this particular statement that has been recorded by Swati Maliwal. But the big breaking right now is that the former DCW chief and the Rajya Sabha MP from Aam Aadmi Party has recorded her statement with the Delhi police, and the senior officials of the Delhi police are actually debriefing the Delhi Police Commissioner at this moment as we speak, and after that possibly a clarity will also chip in as to whether Delhi Police is actually going to hold a form of press conference or issue a statement in regards to the statement that has been recorded by them in the assault case. But the big news right now, that the news that possibly a lot of people were questioning as to why Swati Maliwal is not speaking in this particular regard, as to why she is not giving her statement to the police. The clarity has chipped in. The sources are confirming she has recorded her statement with the Delhi police. The contents of it will be clear once the Delhi police makes an official statement or press release is issued in this regards. Preeti.
All right, Amit, stay on with me. Coming right back to you. Let's quickly dip in to the news report. My colleague Milan File. Listen in.
Even as Swati Maliwal is silent on the assault that has taken place on her by Vibhav Kumar inside the Chief Minister's residence, the BJP has been raising the issue ever since it was reported. Even now, the BJP Mahila Morcha women are standing outside the gates of Swati Maliwal's residence, and they have written a letter which they intend to give to Swati Maliwal. Let me just ask them, ma'am, आप लोग अंदर जाने दिया जा रहा है आपको? इस वक्त क्या स्थिति है यहाँ पर? और लेटर जो आपने लिखा है वो क्या लिखा है, किस संदर्भ में आप स्वाति मालीवाल से मिलना चाह रहे हैं?
हमने अनुरोध किया है स्वाति मालीवाल जी से मिलने के लिए, और शायद 5 मिनट में उनके तरफ से कोई संदेश आएगा। और इस पत्र में केवल यही लिखा है कि स्वाति मालीवाल बहन, आप इस देश की महिला नेता हैं और आप हमारी राजनीतिक धुर विरोधी जरूर हो सकती हैं, परंतु एक महिला होने के नाते, एक महिला नेता होने के नाते जो दूसरी महिलाओं के साथ बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही थी, दिल्ली महिला आयोग की अध्यक्षा होने के नाते, राज्यसभा सांसद होने के नाते हम आपका सपोर्ट करते हैं। आप जो भी डिसीजन लीजिए, परंतु आप अपने आप को अकेला मत समझिए। कोई भी मुख्यमंत्री आपके ऊपर कोई भी दबाव नहीं डाल सकता। कोई संजय सिंह से डरने की जरूरत नहीं है, कोई विभव कुमार से डरने की जरूरत नहीं है। अगर आज आपके साथ कोई नहीं खड़ा है तो दिल्ली की महिलाएं खड़ी हैं। ये एक शक्ति का देश है, यहाँ पर महिलाएं जब चाहती हैं तो राजनीति से ऊपर रह के बात करती हैं। और अखिलेश यादव ने आज क्या कहा, छोटी मोटी बातें हो सकती हैं, ये
कहा कि इससे ज्यादा जरूरी बात,
इससे ज्यादा जरूरी आज इस देश में कोई बात नहीं है कि किसी राज्यसभा सांसद के ऊपर हाथ उठाया जाता है। टोटी चोर को इतना नहीं पता कि लड़के हैं तो उनसे गलती हो जाती है, जिसके पिताजी ये कहते थे, उसको इतना नहीं पता कि वो राज्यसभा सांसद के बारे में बात कर रहा है। वो ये कोई चेन झपटमारी का किस्सा नहीं है, ये राज्यसभा सांसद का किस्सा है। संवैधानिक पद पे बैठी हुई महिला के साथ अगर कुछ होता है और अगर उसको हिम्मत देने की जरूरत है तो उसमें क्या बुरा कर रहे हैं हम लोग, आप बताइए।
So you can see that the women's wing of Bharatiya Janata Party is raising counter questions on why the Aam Aadmi Party is silent on this issue. Except for Sanjay Singh, no one has actually...
All right, let's cut across back to my colleague Amit, who's getting us the very latest. Amit, you know, the fact is, what is the Aam Aadmi Party doing? Till now, they could at least hide behind the fig leaf that Swati Maliwal herself is not coming out and giving a statement officially or as an FIR to the police or a police complaint. Now, if there is a statement that has been recorded, doesn't Bibhav's position become untenable then?
Preeti, the problems are increasing, that's for sure, because number one, the statement has been recorded. So far, the bigger defense mechanism was that she has not gone on to record her statement. As we were also mentioning as to what is the content of that statement, we will have to wait for the official word coming in from the Delhi police. But definitely that statement has been recorded. So the first line of defense has been, in a way, you can say, shattered. The second problem for the Aam Aadmi Party will begin tomorrow when, the notice that has been served to Vibhav Kumar by the NCW to give his statement on the entire episode. So that chapter needs to be taken. And third, as to what is the action that will be taken by the Delhi police, because, I am continuously focusing on this fact. What is the statement that has been given? The tone and tenor of the statement, the allegations made in the statement will actually decide the sections of IPC that will be invoked if at all the complaint is filed. And whether in the statement, because there's a possibility that right from what we are anticipating, the statement could be different from that as well. But if the statement goes ahead in regards of the assault, so the sections will be pressed on the basis of the kind of statement that has been given by Swati Maliwal. And after that, the question comes as to whether what kind of action Delhi police is taking, pardon, whether they are going ahead, very swift in this particular case, because we see a lot of pressure on the Delhi police as well because of the kind of political storm this chapter has brought in. The NCW, which is keeping a close eye on the entire episode.
All right, Amit, we are getting in the latest news break coming in right now. Let's quickly cut across to that. Well, it does seem Swati Maliwal has given a written complaint. Now, what is that written complaint? What has she charged the personal assistant with? Does it also include the name of the Delhi Chief Minister? Lots of questions coming to the fore. Arvind Ojha joining us for more on that. Over to you, Arvind. All right, we don't have Arvind Ojha. We're going to try and connect to him in just a short while from now. But Amit, it does seem that an official police complaint has been lodged by Swati Maliwal. We don't know the nature. What are the sections? Does it only entail the personal assistant or does it also include the chief minister? But it does seem that Swati Maliwal has now lodged a written complaint.
Exactly, Preeti. You know, so we were talking about the statement that has been recorded. Now the word is also chipping in that she has actually submitted a written complaint. That's what sources are telling India Today. So written complaint means that obviously this must be on the lines of assault. If we go by the very basics of it, IPC section 323 could be the first charge that could be pressed in the FIR that would be later on lodged by the Delhi police, because remember, this is a complaint that has been lodged by Swati Maliwal. The sources are confirming this to us. The Delhi police officials are briefing the Delhi CP in this regard, and after that possibly the call on filing that FIR will be taken up, because the NCW needs to be apprised about the entire development as well. So as you are mentioning, what is the nature of the complaint? Number one, if it is restricted to assault, possibly section 323 could be the charge that could be pressed in that FIR. But who all are named
All right,
in that
we're going to come right
complaint
back
is something.
to you, Amit, where we get a larger understanding on what is part of that written complaint which Swati Maliwal has lodged. So what we can break for sure, Swati Maliwal has given a written complaint to the Delhi police. What does it entail? Stay tuned for more right here. But till then, let's cut into this exclusive chat that I had in Rae Bareli, where I am with Priyanka Gandhi campaigning here for the last 8 days.